Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Hey guys, it's me. Today we're gonna practice the song Last Christmas. In this song, we'll learn about some verbs in the past. So, past form verbs like, because last Christmas, so we use could, leave, left, blew, yeah. And then we also practice pronunciation for the lyrics, for the words in the song. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. So the first paragraph, I'm gonna help you with the pronunciation of all the sentences first, and then after that you can sing with karaoke or with the beat, with the music. Okay, let's go. I hate that I, linking here, that I remember. I hate that I remember. I wish I could forget. I wish I could forget. What you, usually we put ch here. What you, okay. Did, okay. Did last December. What you did last December. You left, leave, left. You left my heart a mess. Ending sounds. Okay, heart a mess. Boy, you blew it. Okay, you blew it. How could you, linking, could you do it? So between the sound oo and a, like the oo and a, like this, we use w to make a link here. So we say do it. How could you do it? Okay. Oh yeah, okay. So like the first paragraph, let's sing together. Are you ready? I hate that I remember. I wish I could forget what you did last December. You left my heart a mess. Boy, you blew it. How could you do it? I hate that I remember. I wish I could forget what you did last December. You left my heart a mess. Boy, you blew it. How could you do it? Oh. Good. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Last Christmas. Christmas. Last Christmas, gave you my heart. Last Christmas gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. You gave it away. Okay. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. Yeah. Okay, continue. This year, to save me from tears. I will, we say I'll give it, linking, give it. I'll give it to someone special. The sh, okay, sh, special. Yeah, okay. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special, yeah. Okay? Thank you. Next. Thought we belonged together. We would say thought we belonged together. Yeah, belonged, past ed, the verb in the past, belonged together. At least, that's what you said. At least that's what you said. I should have known better. Break. You broke my heart again. You broke my heart again. Heart linking. You broke my heart again. So we belong together. At least that's what you said. I should have known better. You broke my heart again. Okay? Yes. Now continue. How could you leave Christmas morning? How could you leave Christmas morning? You broke my heart. You broke my heart with no warning. Boy, you blew it. How could you do it? How could you leave Christmas morning? You broke my heart with no warning. Boy, you blew it. How could you do it? And then after that, you can go back to the first part from the beginning. Okay, then that's it. I hate that I remember. I wish I could forget what you did last December. You left my heart a mess. Boy, you blew it. How could you do it? Oh, last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. Yeah. And back to the chorus. So that's it. We have just finished practicing the song Last Christmas. So I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I hope that you can enjoy singing this song, and I hope that you also improve your English pronunciation and your speaking. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye, and see you in my next videos.